This is the brand new Bac-To-Zero machine. Just checking out the box, it's very well packaged. You also have all of your specs down here. It sort of gives you a little bit of a hint of what's inside. It has a three-way control. You have automatic timer now. You also have a wireless remote and a manual control. Then it's, up front, it tells you that it comes with 10 free 60 ml solutions for free. They're also giving you an introductory promo with a 500 ml bottle for free, which is a value of 1,500 pesos. Let's go ahead and cut the tape open and see what's inside the box. So as soon as you open the box, comes nice and well packaged. You have your power cord. You have your automatic timer with the wireless remote. And you have the machine itself as well. Let's go ahead and throw these things to the side. So this is the brand new Microtex Bac-To-Zero machine. Let's see what else is inside. You also have your user manual along with a warranty card, your test and certification paper, and your user manual. So everything that you need to sort of get started on the product, you can find on these pamphlets along with your warranty card as well. Set that to the side. You have your free 500 ml solution. Again, this is during the introductory promo period. Again, this is a value of 1,500 pesos. You have your 10 60 ml shots right there. And if I'm not mistaken, you also get a tarp of this so that you can sort of advertise the business in case you have like a small sort of a car wash or anything like that you want to add the Bac-To-Zero machine service for your clients. Let's go ahead and sort of dive into what makes this 2.0 version different from the previous generation. Immediately upon sort of just looking at it, it's a much more compact package. You have bigger vents here down the side. So you have these vents down here on the side, also on the other side. You've got this really awesome sort of sticker that says MTX, and then Bac-To-Zero is embossed on the handle. You have your off and on switch back here, your manual control unit right there. You have your port for your power cord, just like that. And then you also have a port for your automatic timer, just like that. All right. So this being made out of metal is going to be sort of a little bit heavier compared to the previous generation, but it should also sort of withstand the heavy use of it. Also in the back, you have a bigger fan or an exhaust system to sort of extract all of that heat that the machine is going to be creating. You have extra vents down here at the bottom, along with 4 rubber legs for so that the Bac-To-Zero machine can sort of stand on. We've got Bac-To-Zero labeling here on the bottom or on side, and then you also have another one there as well. Obviously, this is where the mist from the solution is going to come out of, and this is your fill bottle right here. One cart takes roughly about 60 mLs. You could even do 50 if you'd like. Charges for these, which is a sort of a typical question for us, for smaller sedans like a Vios or a Wagon or a Wigo or something like that. Typically, most car washes will charge right around 500 pesos. The SUVs or like a Hiace or something like that typically is between 700 and 800 pesos. What we're going to do is we're going to sort of edit our way through. We're going to plug in the machine and check out exactly how to operate the automatic timer. So we've got the brand new Bac-To-Zero machine sort of all plugged up to the power cord. We also have the automatic timer plugged into the machine. Let's go ahead and turn it on. As soon as you turn on the machine, the super powerful fan in the rear automatically turns itself on, and your timer set or your automatic timer will also begin to sort of turn on itself as well. You'll be able to switch time quite easily. You have a button here for your minutes to adjust them. You also have it here for seconds. Now, a 60 ml solution typically runs out or can be completed within 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Once you have selected the amount of time that you would like, all you have to do is hit enter or OK. Put the timer on the machine and simply hit start. Once you hit start, the machine will go through the entire solution for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Once all of that is done, it will automatically turn the machine off by itself, saving you electricity and prevent the machine from overheating. Okay? Now, operating the Bac-To-Zero machine is absolutely simple. Anybody can pretty much do it. So this was the Bac-To-Zero machine version 2.0. We've talked about the brand new body aluminum construction. We talked about the introductory promo for the 500 ml solution, which again is a value of 1,500 pesos. We've also gone through the process of using the automatic timer. And of course, now you get the warranty card as well. Everything here that you see on the table is only priced at 9,800 pesos, which in reality is a perfect way for you to start a small business at home. If you'd like to inquire about the Bac-To-Zero machine, please let us know. You can contact us at PartsPro.PH on Facebook. The website is www.PartsPro.PH. You can also drop by the store, 91 Congressional Avenue, Barangay Bahay Toro, Project 8, Quezon City. We're open Monday through Saturday, 8:30 in the morning until 6 p.m. at night. My name is Michael from PartsPro.PH, and this is the Bac-To-Zero machine from Microtex.